This money-hungry woman wasn't done draining her ex until the judge shut her down with one brutal truth.
Mr. Van Til, you filed a motion to cease spousal support, and your motion's based on the fact that Ms. Van Til remarried at the end of 2024. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Van Til, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Are you contesting discontinuation of the spousal support?
To an extent, I feel that I was pretty generous back in 2021 when I let him off on over $12,000 in arrearages at the time. I'm willing to drop down to $500 a month for, let's say, another 3 years.
Okay. Mr. Van Til, what's your position on that?
No, I disagree.
Okay. Here's the thing. I reviewed the original judgment of divorce, and it does allow for the court to modify spousal support based on a change in circumstances. Ms. Van Til, and frankly, I'm surprised it doesn't contain the language that if you remarry, typically once a party remarries, that's a change in circumstances that warrants the cessation of payment of spousal support. And the whole idea of spousal support is that you don't have the assistance of your marital partner anymore to support you. And when you get remarried, that's no longer the case. So really, to me, the only fact here that would be a potential issue is whether or not you were actually married or remarried, I should say. And it sounds like that's not a fact that's in dispute. So for that reason, the court finds that the spousal support should cease.
This greedy ex-wife flipped over her ex's new house and demanded more child support, but the judge crushed her scheme instantly.
Guideline child support would be $895 per month beginning May 1st. You are not in agreement with the amounts that are being proposed for Mr. Puentes to pay in support. Is that correct?
That is correct.
What other sources of income do you believe he has aside from the things we've already discussed?
I mentioned the conferred income, like I stated, but you stated that he told you he pays rents and he doesn't live.
What does conferred income mean?
Well, his boss got him a house and he's not reporting those $3,000 or $3,200, whatever exactly the mortgage payment is, into his income because he's paying the mortgage for him. He lives there alone in a 4 or 5 bedroom house, 3,300 square foot.
Do you think that this house has been purchased for him or that he's living there for free?
Yes, he told me this before he actually even moved into the house when he got the job position that he was going for. I even sent him different links for different houses because I asked him what price range did he give you. He stated it, so I try to help him find a house. I was happy for him.
Okay, now this house that you live in, it is owned by your employer, is that correct?
That is correct.
And do you pay the rent on this house? Pay rent to live in this house?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you paying the mortgage in some sort of rent-to-own scenario, or are you simply living in a house owned by your employer for which you pay rent on it?
That's correct. I pay rent here for him buying this house.
All right, I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Then I will confirm order in lieu of the non-agreed CSRP.